In Lesson 9, the students are to discover and investigate the effect of a chamber that echoes the air. These are called echo chambers. What they want the students to do is to take a clear plastic cup, poke a hole in the bottom, tie a string to a washer, pull the fishing line through the bottom of the cup, place the cup on the ground, place their foot on the cup, and pull the string up with tension and have someone else pluck the string. What I found was sometimes the students are unable to balance on one foot and hold this cup down. Some of the students crushed the cups, cracked the cups. So my solution was to use 3 of the sticks from the slide whistle in the sound unit to solve the problem. I took 2 of the sticks and had the students place 1 on each side of the string and bring them together. Then one partner would hold these sticks down to stabilize the cup on the ground. The other student would then wrap the string and use it to pull and be able to adjust tight tension and loose tension, as well as length of the string for their experiment. This prevented crushing cups and it engaged both partners in the investigation.